take a part of a part, we have less than what we started with. Let's do this for example. If we started with half of a pizza or part of a pizza, and we took part of the pizza, as in this example, about a third of the pizza, and we gave it to a friend, what do we have left? Well, we can easily see that we have less than 1/2 remaining because we took part of the part. So now we have even less of a pizza. Today's lesson, we're really going to focus on proving our products or proving the answers using a fraction model. Now, in a previous lesson, you could have used 1/3 times 1/4 and done it in a standard algorithm such as numerator times numerator divided by denominator times denominator. 1 times 1 equals 1, and 3 times...
What is the product of 1/3 times 1/4? Look at the board up there, showing you the math. You just have to put an answer. 1 times 1 over 3 times 4. Math is up there. Got 6 more people waiting on answers. 1 times 1, 3 times 4. Correct. 1/12 is correct. See if I show responses when I get. Well, we do have some incorrect answers. That's interesting.
4 equals 12. So if I take 1/3 of 1/4, what I have remaining, or what is left, is 1/12. 1/12 is smaller than what I started with. However, remember, we want to be able to prove this using a model. So below the fractions, you will see a fraction model. 1/4 is represented by only one part of the square shaded. This is 1/4. This model shows 1/3. So what we are going to do is we're going to divide the one piece of 1/4 by 1/3. Or, in essence, we're multiplying it by 1/3. The answer to our problem is where the two colors overlap, or where the 1/3 is related to the 1/4. Now let's look at how this model shows 1/12. If you look, we now have 12 pieces. 12 is the denominator. And only one of those pieces has both the colors that we started with, the purple and the blue. So 1/3 times 1/4 is equal to 1/12. Let's try another one. 1/2 times 3/5. Or we could say 1/2 of 3/5. In this model on the right, you see that 3/5 are shaded purple. On the left, we have 1/2 shaded. Now, I'm going to take 1/2 of 3/5 and watch for the colors overlap. The colors that overlap are our product.
Remember, you multiply straight across. So you can look at the picture. Hopefully you realize 3 are shaded. You realize that gives you your answer right away.
So we have 3 parts overlapping, so my numerator is going to be 3. I have 10 parts in the model, so my denominator is going to be a 10. So if I started with 3/5 and I took half of them, I would be left with 3/10, less than what I started with. If I do that standard algorithm, I can say 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 5 is 10, and so the product of 1/2 and 3/5 is 3/10.